Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to permanently delete Instagram chat backups. This is a very simple and easy process. Let's get started. So essentially, if you unsend a message on Instagram, that will essentially permanently delete that individual message from the Instagram backups. So all you simply need to do is go to the desired chat, find a chat that you do not like, tap it, hold on to it, and then a drop down bar shall appear and simply click on the unsend option. Now, if you click on delete, it will delete the message, but only for you and not for the other party. And if you go ahead and delete the entire conversation, by to do so, all you need to do is go to your direct messages list and then find the conversation you wish to delete, hold on to it, and then again the delete option should appear and simply click delete. But if you do delete it, that will only delete the conversation for you and not for the other party. So in essence, unsending an Instagram message is the most best foolproof way to permanently delete a message. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.